Hey guys, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is another eye look, and I'm still going to be using stuff I've already got because, you know, I don't want to spend money because I've got too much stuff. So we're going to do another look. I'm going to use an old throwback. We're going to use the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette today. And we're going to try and do a super soft, natural looking eye, except I'm gonna put some lashes on here, not today but real soon, because I think I've found another thing of glue to test out for you guys. So let's get started. We're gonna start with my Essence eye base, and this is kind of like just a get ready with me using stuff I've already got, except that it's not really a whole get ready with me because I've already done my face. We're just doing my eyes, which is what we always do, right? Mondays are for testing out foundations and stuff, and Wednesdays are for eyes, and Fridays are for all kinds of crazy stuff. Maybe get ready with me on Friday, maybe hair on Friday. I definitely need to do my hair, huh? I got a thing from email from my hair lady, and she's still looking at middle to end of May before she comes back. So you guys are going to see way more of me than I wanted you to. But it's only hair, right? And just think how much we're going to love it when she's back, and I can go back to being me, which is not this. This is natural, but this is not me. So, just so you know. All right, so we are going to start off with, hopefully these brushes are dry. Yeah, that one's dry. So I just put on the eye base. I'm going to go into this first color, Tempura, right here, just to set that. On my eye. And then we're going to go into Warm Top right here. This one, the second one right here. I'm going to put that in for my transition color. And I just cleaned a bunch of these brushes, and I don't want to get one that's not dry. And I just want to do it real light. Dusting of this, just to make a shadow. I am going to pull it in just a little bit on the outer corner, just so that it blends. And then I'm going to go into this Vermeer. Anyways, it's this one right here. It's a really, 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 really pale pink. And I'm going to put that all over my lid. And hopefully it's going to be good enough just with the powder, because I'm wanting something that's kind of quick. But if it's not, I will go back in and spray it. Oh, I think it's good. I don't think it needs to be wet because we're looking for softness. So pretty. I haven't used this palette in so long. I really always loved this palette so much. And there's another palette that I actually gave away, and it's like one of my favorites. I need to buy it again. I shouldn't have given it away, but I gave it to my daughter and she uses it, so I'm happy that I gave it to her, because I just had so many. You probably want to know what it is, huh? It's the Tartelette in Bloom one. I love that palette. I could wear that palette every day. If I didn't do makeup tutorials, I would probably wear that palette and the Milani Bold Obsessions palette all the time. Those are my two favorite, although I do love this one too. But this one, as you can see, I have certain colors that I love. And the rest of the palette I don't even use. And I should, because I love this palette. I'm just not drawn to those colors, but I should be. And that's all I'm going to do on for my shadow, because I just wanted something soft. And then I'm going to do a smudgy liner. So I'm going to take my liner. I'm going to use my Maybelline Tattoo gel liner, cream pencil, pencil gel liner, gel pencil. And I'm going to push line, and then I'm just going to pull it up. And to push line, you put your little finger in the center of your eyelid, and you push. And it makes your lash turn up around your finger so that you can draw between the lines and not down here in the waterline. I mean, between the lashes. Because if you get it in your waterline, it's going to transfer to the bottom waterline, and I just don't care for that on my eyes. A lot of people do. They like that darkness in the bottom. And so then you don't need to push line. You can just tight line. Then I'm going to add a little bit on top in the outer part. And when you add this to the top, it doesn't have to be like perfect, because you're going to smudge it anyways. Always put your lid on or it will dry out. And then I'm going to get my flat brush. This is a Morphe M432 flat brush, but any flat brush, they have e.l.f. ones too. And then I just smudge it back and forth and then pull it up. I want to make sure there's no skin showing between my lashes. And then after I've got that all taken care of, then I'm going to come out here and I'm going to just get a little lift in this outer corner. Just like that. And then sometimes I'll take this that's already got black on it and just do a little bit in the outer corner on the bottom, just to connect it a little bit. And that is what I'm looking for, just a simple stay at home eye look. And I'm going to curl my lashes, put on my mascara, and then do my brows. I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury mascara. I have had an eye infection for a little while. I think I'm over it now, but that's why I haven't put lashes on yet. I want to make sure it's over, because otherwise when I wake up in the morning I have all kinds of goo in my eyes, and I don't want to have that with lashes on. So I've been kind of waiting for it to be taken care of. So, but I've stopped using the serum on my eyes because I don't know what caused me to get the eye infection. But, you know, I don't want to have it. And so I pretty much stopped using everything except my organic, or whatever it is, my soap that I make with my essential oils, and CeraVe PM moisturizer. Those are the only things I'm using on my face right now, because I've had some issues, and I don't need issues. Of course, it could be stress, or it could be my diet, because that's been bad too. But I'm getting better. I'm getting back to it. I'm not doing the alternate day fasting because that is too hard. It seems like by the time I get to eat, when I do the alternate day fasting, because I'm the kind of person who has to, it's like either I do it or I don't do it. That's what my husband said. He's like, either you exercise, and you always over exercise, or you don't exercise at all. That's what he said. Because yesterday I went for a walk for 2 miles, a power walk. And then I came home and I did yoga. And then I did these knee stretches because my knees have been really bad lately. You know, I had the hip thing going on, and it seemed like all the stretches for the hips hurt my knees. So then my knees started hurting. Now I think my knees hurt more than my hips. So anyways, I was talking about the diet. I am just doing intermittent fasting. Oh, because I can't do alternate day fasting, at least not to start with. I may work my way up to that once I do the intermittent fasting for a little bit longer. Because when I do the alternate day fasting, I'm so hungry by the end of 40 hours that then I just eat really, really badly. And I think I eat enough to make up for not eating the day before. So it's like, okay, that's really not working out for me. So I've decided, okay, just do the intermittent, because you can do that and you can pretty much keep the calories, you know, to a minimum. I mean, I'm still really hungry when I do eat, but I try to eat a salad first. I try to eat the salad first. That way, if I'm still hungry, hopefully I'm not starving enough to overeat whatever else I eat. So that's what I've been doing. So I'm feeling pretty good about it. And I'm hoping to work up to doing the alternate day fasting like once or twice a week maybe. And then do the intermittent on the other days. And I'm trying to limit my workouts to just one thing a day. But I need to see results. I need to see results fast. If I can see some sort of results, then I'm an oak. I can keep going. But if I don't see any results, I'm ready to change it up and do something else. So I have some mascara on my face that I need to get off. There. And then I had a little bit up here. All right, now we just need to do brows. And now we're going to use our Wet n Wild brow because I've been liking this lately. I don't know that I love the Wet n Wild formula. I mean, it's good. I like it. It's not too creamy. I don't like those ones that are so creamy that basically if you make a mistake, you can just go like that and wipe it off, because that means that the first time you touch your face, you're going to wipe off your eyebrows. And who needs that, right? And so this one's pretty good. I mean, it's still pretty easy to wipe off, but I have found that I do like this one. I need to just do my henna again. And now would be the perfect time, right? I'm stuck at home. I just haven't thought about it. I have been thinking about the eyelash extensions though. But because I had that issue going on, I didn't want to make it worse. So I haven't done anything. But I think I am going to do that henna now that I've thought of it. So what do you guys do to pass the time? Makeup? Since nobody can go to work. Okay. I think this is it. Oh, we need lips. We need some lips. You know what? I forgot to put earrings on too. Too late now. Let's see. I don't think I have any peachy lips. Ooh, I do have this. It's kind of a lip balm. But it kind of matches. I thought I bought, that doesn't match at all. I thought I bought one of these in orange. Maybe this is it. We'll just test this on my hand. Oh yeah, that one's kind of orangey, huh? Let's try that one. Okay. I know my eyes are pink, but my shirt's orange. There, I like that. It is kind of orange. It's not as orange as my shirt, but I definitely don't have one this color. Let's add a little bit of this Shall We Dance, which I add to pretty much everything. Give it a little sparkle. Perfect. All right, that's it. That's our look of the day. What do you guys think? I feel like my lips are crooked. Oh well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you haven't already, and hit that little notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!